Are you ready for the ultimate data protection event of the year? Because VeeamON is back, bigger, bolder, and better than ever. VeeamON 2025 is approaching fast, April 21st through 23rd, taking place in beautiful San Diego, California. This is where IT professionals, cloud experts, and business leaders from around the world come together to shape the future of data protection, cyber resilience, and IT innovation. And let's not forget, VeeamON isn't just about learning. It's about connecting, celebrating, and having an unforgettable experience. Whether you're joining us in person or virtually, you don't want to miss it. Here are the top 3 reasons you should attend in person. Number 1, breaking news. Be the first to hear about latest product updates with live demonstrations on the main stage. Number 2, test your skills. Do you consider yourself to be a Veeam expert? Face off against other Veeam gurus and lab wars for a chance to win a cash prize. And number 3, it's all about community. VeeamON is an opportunity to connect and network with your peers. Plus, let's not forget about that legendary VeeamON celebration. Registration is now open and the session agenda is available at VeeamON.com. We'll see you in San Diego.